everyone, welcome back to my channel. Friends, in today's video I am going to share with you the review of newly launched Lakme Cushion Matte Lipsticks. So these lipsticks are newly launched in 20 beautiful shades and I have got 3 shades with me. So I have taken these lipsticks, I have purchased them from purplle.com. So these lipsticks are currently available on purplle.com and Amazon as well. So friends, before proceeding, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel to enjoy more such type of videos, and also please give it a like and share if this particular video is really helpful. So let's get started with the review of these lipsticks, and after that I'll be sharing the lip swatches. So let's get started. So friends, these lipsticks come in a very pretty black matte cardboard packaging, as you can see. So here it's written Lakme Cushion Matte Lipstick. The shade color is provided here on the packaging itself for our reference. So this is actually a red shade. So here we can see a red color is given on this packaging as well for our reference. Here we can see the shade number, that is CR6, and it is also sealed properly, as you can see. And here you can see the shade number and the shade name. It is CR6 Red Retro. And here the claims of this lipstick are mentioned. As you can see, it's written Lakme Cushion Matte Lipstick delivers a rich matte finish with incredible comfort. The creamy matte formula contains rose oil extracts for unbelievable moisture and smooth finish along with intense color. And here you can see some details are also mentioned. We are getting the MRP. These lipsticks retail for rupees 275, and we are getting 4.5 grams of lipstick, which is a pretty good quantity of lipstick that we are getting. And we are getting 2 years of shelf life to use this lipstick. Friends, nowhere on this packaging the ingredients are mentioned. So I went to Purpple's website. I have bought these lipsticks from Purplle actually. So I went to their website and I checked. The ingredients are mentioned. There are 3 ingredients mentioned. One is isohexadecane, polyethylene and silica. So these 3 ingredients are only mentioned in Purpple's website. So nowhere paraben is actually mentioned. So friends, you can see the packaging. These lipsticks come in a packaging like this, a black shiny plastic packaging, and this packaging is also transparent, as you can see. The shade number and the shade name and the expiry is also mentioned, as you can see. So this is also not color coded, so that is a big issue, friends. If you are having so many shades, it's really very difficult. You have to open each bullet and you have to check the shade before application. You can see, friends, this is the bullet. The bullet is really good. It is convenient to use. So friends, now I'll be swatching and I'll be showing you this shade Red Retro. So you can see with a single stroke the color pigmentation is like this. So once again I'll be swatching, and you can see, so the color pigmentation is quite good. So friends, this is the shade Retro Red. So as you can see, this shade is a muted maroon kind of shade, and this will also look very pretty on each and every skin tone, starting from very fair to very deeper skin tones as well. This is the shade Nude Toast. It is a brownish nude shade, as you can see, and this shade is also going to look beautiful on each and every skin tones, starting from fair to deeper skin tones. And very deeper skin tone girls can go for this shade if they are lining their lips well with a darker lip pencil. This is the shade Mauve Secret, and it is a very light mauvish nude shade, and this shade is going to look flattering on all skin tones, starting from fair to deeper skin tones. And particularly deeper skin tone girls can line their lips with a darker lip pencil and apply this lipstick and also look good on them. So it might wash out them if they are not lining their lips with a darker lip shade. Friends, I am recording this video in daytime so that you can see in natural light how these shades look. First I'll be discussing about the pigmentation, the formula and the texture of these lipsticks. So these lipsticks are actually creamy matte, soft matte lipsticks. So they're very comfortable on lips, they're very creamy, they're very moisturizing and nourishing on lips. So in the coming winter season, when lips becomes really very dry and chapped, at that time these lipsticks are severe. So definitely you can try these lipsticks in the coming winter season, friends. You will not at all get that dryness and chappiness on your lips. These lipsticks also give matte finish, friends. As you can see, they are not very glossy or very shiny, so that is what I like. And if you want more matte finish, then definitely you can use a blotting paper or a tissue paper and dab on your lipstick, and you will be getting a very good matte finish, which will be very long lasting as well. The texture of this lipsticks is very smooth. It glides effortlessly on lips and it is like cream. I just like the texture so much, friends, truly speaking. These lipsticks also have a little bit of smell. The smell is like vanilla ice cream and it is so tempting. The smell is really very good. It is not at all strong or overpowering, and I don't think like anyone is going to have any issues with the smell. They're definitely not smudge proof or transfer proof because they're creamy matte lipsticks, they're bullet lipsticks. They're going to transfer. If you're eating or drinking something, then definitely they will transfer and they will fade away, but they will not totally get removed from your lips. I will show you right now, friends. You can see it transfers very minimal. It is not transferring a lot like other creamy lipsticks. And you can see, friends, even after transferring on my hand, on my palm, the lipstick is intact on my lips and the pigmentation is bang on. These are going to last on lips for around 3 to 4 hours, and after that they might fade away a little bit and we need to reapply. Whenever they fade from the lips, after that also they look very beautiful. They look pretty because they leave behind a pretty tint. They don't stain lips, friends, truly speaking. Some girls don't like staining. That's why I'm telling this particular point. Coming to the price of these lipsticks, these retail for only rupees 275, which is not on a very affordable range, or it is not very overhyped or overpriced. So that is what I liked. Actually, this price point is quite good. We can definitely purchase these lipsticks and we can buy many sets as well. And friends, I found the texture of these lipsticks is quite similar with the Maybelline Color Sensational Creamy Matte lipsticks. Those lipsticks retail for rupees 299 and these lipsticks retail for 275. The price point is also quite similar is what I found. So friends, coming to recommendation, I recommend these lipsticks. You can definitely try these lipsticks. If you are someone who doesn't like totally super matte formulas like liquid lipsticks or super matte lipsticks, then definitely you can go ahead and purchase these lipsticks. You are going to love the formula a lot. So friends, I hope you like the swatches of these lipsticks and this video is really helpful. So I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye, take care, love you all.